Hey guys, Tony here. Good afternoon. I just wanted to do a quick TA on SHIBA. It actually did break trend, unfortunately. So you actually see it complete full candles under trend. It's creating a full bullish a full bullish candle under trend, which is kind of unfortunate right now because the only reason that it's kind of worrisome is that it did break trend. So right now so scenario one is no longer gonna happen, so we can get rid of that. But so now there's two things. Actually, we can get rid of that too. So now scenario two is what happened, right? As of right now, what you can expect is, like I said, it retested basically perfectly down here, and then I'm thinking it might run up again, retest trend and come back down. Or keep in mind we are already in a bullish cycle for the hour, and then for the 4 hour, we are starting to see weakened signs of bear momentum. So you might have maybe-ish found the floor somewhere around here, right? Maybe found the floor somewhere around this 20 to 23 range, which might be good. But the only bad thing is, I can assume the weekly is bullish, but the daily hasn't even crossed bearish yet. So it's going to be all up to the 4 hour. If the 4 hour cycle right now ends up closing bullish sometime in the next, I don't know, day or two, I can definitely expect another run on Shiba Inu. Last time you actually closed bullish, it's when you started the run from 0.00008 whatever all the way up to 37. So if we actually have a similar jump like that, or a similar cross in the bull side on the 4 hour, we might be able to break to the upside. I'm not saying we will, because things are not exactly looking all that great right now, especially with already weakened candles showing, right? So it's looking that we might actually go retest trend and come back down. So it's not looking all that good. We're really, really relying on the 4 hour to do something. But as of right now, if you can manage to actually break this to the upside, then I would expect us to run back to like 30 cents or so, right? But again, the more likely scenario is us, because it's essentially it's doing it perfectly, right? We broke trend, we basically retested that 2021 level almost perfectly, and the most likely scenario is that we retest trend, and then we at like somewhere around this level, and then we drop all the way back down to like 17 or so, right? That's the more likely scenario. I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but in a case like this, where you actually break trend, that is a likely scenario. I have seen cases like in Ethereum where it ends up breaking trend and it kind of trails sideways and then it just has an immediate jump to the upside. Keep in mind that Bitcoin and Ethereum also dropped. So if those recover, we can see a nice recovery from Shiba also. But like I said, as of right now, the likely scenario is that you actually see it run down to 17, unfortunately. But we can definitely also break that pattern, and if we have a nice jump again, you can see us going back. I can see us going back to like 29 or 30ish, and then possibly, if that happens, we might start a brand new trading range from like here to here. You might see a brand new trading range, and you just might start trading between this range before either breaking up or breaking down. So, we don't know yet, but like I said, likely scenario, it's retouching trend or retesting trend, probably going to come back down, unless we have a strong bull push to the upside. I think the 17 is more likely than the 30 right now, but we'll see. I'm still holding. Why not? I'm just going to hold long term. But as of right now, like I said, 30, hopefully. Likely scenario is that it's going to retest trend and then come back to 17, but who knows? See you later, guys.